Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem we have today is a word problem. I kind of like word problems. I think it kind of keeps you sharp when you do them. They're kind of fun, and you set up an algebraic equation and then you solve from there. So let's see. Truthfully, you got to kind of read them a lot of times, 2 or 3 times. Say, what are they really looking for? So sometimes they're a little tricky there. They make the whole word problem and they're really not looking for what you think they're looking for, and you got to read it again. Okay, so always remember to do that. So let's read it. A student chose a number, multiplied it by 2, then subtracted 138 from the results. He got 102. What was the number he chose? Okay, so let's read again. A student chose a number, multiplied it by 2. Then subtracted 138 from it. Got the results 102. So we know it's going to be equal to 102. Okay, we got that part down. Okay, now we're going to make the number x. Okay, x. He multiplied it by 2, so now it's going to be 2x. Okay, and then he subtracted 138 from the results. Well, because of PEMDAS, remember PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, okay? Multiplication comes before addition and subtraction, so it's going to be the 2 times, it's going to be first, okay? So now we subtract 138, okay? And he ended up with 102. Okay, so hey, how do we do this? Let's see. So we want to get the x by itself. What's x? So we add 138 to both sides. What we do to one side, we got to do to the other side, okay? So we add 138 to this side. So let's see. These 2 cross each other out, and this comes down. So 2x comes down. 2x comes down, and that equals, now we got 102 plus 138. What's that? 2, we got 0, 4, 240. So it equals 240. So now, we're still going to get x by itself. What do we do now? It's 2 times x, so the opposite of times is division. So we divide by 2. And what we do to one side, we got to do the other side. Okay? So, this crosses out. Bring the x down. So it's x equals, now, 240 divided by 2 is 120. The answer, the number he chose to start with was 120. And that was it. Okay? So, just remember when you get these word problems, hey, they're a lot of fun sometimes, because sometimes they're kind of complicated, or they might be asking you to solve 2 different things at the same time. This is only asking you to solve 1. They just want to know the number. Okay? And then you just kind of go along with that. And always remember to follow the rules of PEMDAS, and you'll get it, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember what I say, math is fun. And share this with any mathematical friends you got, or any kids in school. They might come across problems like this in their class. And if they solve these enough times, they might say, oh, I can do this real easy. Okay? And it might help them. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.